Blake Lively was chic and sexy in a deep-cut leather dress in NYC on Friday as she showed up to an event honoring Lorraine Schwartz and other premier jewelers. Blake Lively continues to sparkle in stunning style, this time in a plunging leather dress. The Gossip Girl star arrived at Cipriani in the Big Apple on Friday, sporting the black, long-sleeve dress which featured a cutout at her midsection. She paired the look with Lorraine Schwartz geometrical drop earrings and a vintage, beige-and black patterned Chanel bag, priced at around $5,000. The 34-year-old mom of three also pulled her hair back into a sleek and sexy ponytail, topping the look off with sparkling black Christian Louboutin pumps. Blake's Lorraine Schwartz earrings were a significant choice for the evening, as she was honoring the designer at the Gem Awards, or the fine jewelry and watch industry's most celebrated galas. During her speech about the designer, Blake was quoted as saying, "What drives her is the people, the humanity, the connectivity, the love. Her work is really made of love, and she won't lie to you if she doesn't like your movie." Blake has been shining all over New York City lately. She recently showed up to support her husband Ryan Reynolds, 45, at the premiere of his Netflix movie The Adam Project, that time in a gorgeous, ethereal Atelier Versace gown. The plunging, 70s style, pastel-colored dress echoed Valley of the Dolls star Sharon Tate, an apparent style idol of Blake's, her makeup artist, Christopher Buckle. The flowing dress included light pinks, purples, blues, and greens, which were all separated into flowing sections, and the blonde beauty added wide round earrings and strappy shoes to the look. Blake happily posed with Ryan on the red carpet of the premiere, and they were definitely one of the best dressed couples there. Ryan wore a dark gray suit and tie with pinstripes and black shoes as he greeted onlookers and fellow castmates from the highly anticipated film. Other stars that showed and posed for pics included Hugh Jackman, Jennifer Garner, Mark Ruffalo, and more.